Welcoming you all to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. We're also fine. So today, before entering into the story, I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So the today's story is very small, cute story with a profound message hidden inside. So watch till the end. You all must have heard about Buddha, right? Buddha was a philosopher, meditator, and a spiritual leader who was spreading wisdom, who lived in ancient India. So he used to visit all homes with a begging bowl, begging for a morsel of food for the day. So whenever he visits houses, ladies of the house used to come out and they used to, offer him food with lots of humility. And he used to thank them and move on from one house to other. So now Buddha visited a new village where he hasn't been before. He saw lots of houses, and one house he knocked the door. A lady came out. It seemed she was a bitter lady, and she was furious seeing a monk in front of her house. So she shouted, "Why are you here? Why can't you work instead of, begging like this? It seems you're physically fit also." Buddha kept quiet. Buddha was so silent, Again, she started questioning and she called out, names. She started abusing Buddha a lot. Still, Buddha was keeping the same silence. So she asked, "Can't you hear what I am telling? Why are you keeping quiet like this?" Then, you know what Buddha said? Buddha said, "Mother, when you're offering something, the other person is not accepting, where it will go?" Then she said, "I haven't offered you anything, no? You lazy monk. Why are you telling like that? I haven't offered you anything." Buddha said, "Since the time I came over here, you have been offering what you have." This thing went deeper into her heart, She was a very intelligent lady. She realized that Buddha was mentioning all about her abuses. She felt so sorry. She got the realization that what mistake she has done, She went inside the kitchen and took some food and gave it to Buddha and bowed down to him. So Buddha accepted it and he moved on. Nice story, na friends? So what message you got from this story? Sometimes, when we are so happy, we may be so happy, but depends upon the surrounding, our mood will be changed. Maybe a phone call, people will be shouting at you, they will be throwing, actually people shout or sometimes they may be frustrated, sometimes disappointed. So it will come out in the form of anger or shouting, passing abuses, passing blames. So that time, if you also start reacting, what happens? It will go on like a chain, never ending chain, one after the other, it keeps going on. Instead, if you're keeping quiet, remaining silent, you can save a lot of time as well as your energy. If you practice meditation, yoga, all these things will help you to remain like that, to maintain that centeredness. Myself, if I share my experience, earlier I was also like that, So small things, sometimes I'll be very happy and somebody will post something, I will easily get provoked and react. But later when I start practicing yoga, meditation and all, I can observe that this silence is able to be maintained by everyone, including me. It's possible actually. Silence gives answers to a lot of things. So hope you all like this message and the story. Keep watching. Thank you all. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. If you like the message, you can share with your friends. All your feedbacks, each of your likes, comments, everything I watch, I comment, I reply back. I really love to be in touch with you, interact with you all. So lots of thanks for whoever subscribed and for interacting with me. Keep doing. Thank you all. Stay happy, stay blessed. I'll be back again with another video. Signing off, DJ Anil. Bye.